Welcome to Automotive Reviews TV, your trusted destination for in-depth reviews and insights into vehicles, machinery, and all things automotive. Today, we dive into the Kubota BX1880, a versatile subcompact tractor that has earned its place in the hearts of homeowners, landscapers, and small-scale farmers. This machine is designed to offer reliability, ease of use, and top-notch performance in a compact package. Whether you're mowing, tilling, or hauling, the BX1880 is a strong contender in the subcompact tractor category. The Kubota BX1880 boasts a powerful 3-cylinder diesel engine, delivering 16.6 horsepower at the power takeoff. Its hydrostatic transmission ensures smooth operation and easy maneuvering, making it a user-friendly option even for beginners. The compact size and tight turning radius are perfect for navigating tight spaces, whether you're working in a small yard or between rows in a garden. The machine's ergonomic design is another highlight, offering a comfortable seat, intuitive controls, and excellent visibility to reduce operator fatigue during extended use. A key feature of the BX1880 is its versatility. It can handle a wide range of attachments, including loaders, mowers, backhoes, and snowblowers. This adaptability makes it a one-stop solution for various tasks throughout the year. The 3-point hitch and hydraulic system allow for seamless attachment and detachment of implements, saving time and effort. The durable construction ensures that it can withstand the demands of heavy-duty tasks, providing peace of mind to owners. Safety is a priority with Kubota, and the BX1880 reflects this commitment. The rollover protective structure, safety switches, and sturdy build make it a reliable choice. Additionally, the compact design ensures that it remains stable even on uneven terrain, giving users confidence during operation. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to the easy-to-access engine components and well-thought-out design, minimizing downtime and keeping the tractor running efficiently. Fuel efficiency is another strength of the BX1880. The diesel engine is designed to provide excellent power without consuming excessive fuel, making it an economical option for small-scale operations. Its rugged performance and low operating costs make it a valuable investment for anyone looking to maintain their property or take on light agricultural tasks. If you're considering a subcompact tractor that offers a perfect balance of power, versatility, and reliability, the Kubota BX1880 is worth a closer look. Its features cater to a wide range of needs, ensuring that you get maximum value for your investment. Whether you're a seasoned operator or a first-time user, this tractor is designed to deliver consistent performance and long-term durability. Thank you for joining us on Automotive Reviews TV. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest reviews, tips, and insights into the world of vehicles and machinery. We're here to help you make informed decisions, so stay tuned for more content coming your way.